When I saw this pattern, I was like, okay, sign me up. I want those pants. Hey you guys, the Doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. If you're coming back, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a pattern haul. I'm going to try on everything that I've made pretty much from the end of November to now. So I'm excited to share those things with you. It's more fall winter wear. And I noticed that I kind of went with more neutral colors for fall. I don't know if that's just the fabrics that they had in the store, but normally spring, summer, I tend to do a lot of color, a lot of patterns. So next time I go to the fabric store, I'll think about that and try to get something that's more vibrant, because why not? Color is good any time of year, right? So definitely, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that so that we can continue to hang out together and you catch fun videos. And yeah, all right you guys, so without further ado, let's get into it. All right you guys, look number one. So this cape, this is a MCCALL'S pattern, and I made this in a wool blend in this like really nice camel color, which I absolutely love. I paired it with some I guess they're called mom jeans since again skinny jeans are out. So I did that, and then like this heel booty type shoe. I would also still wear it with skinny jeans and then boots also, because I think that's just very fall and comfortable. And then I love how this has this belt in the front that comes through, and then it's actually in the back too. So it just really, even though it's a cape, it's not like oversized and like really, you know, it doesn't swamp you. It still lets you have like a figure, which I love about that. And then it wasn't a like extremely hard pattern, but there were a few things that I had to read like 4 or 5 times, because I'm like, okay, hold on, do what and put what where, and okay, this is flipped that way and that, okay. But I figured it out, and I'm really happy with how this cape turned out. So, all right, you guys, look number 2. This is the next thing. I'm ashy again. I'm sorry. Hold on just a second. I gotta do that. Okay. You know when it's winter and you're used to wearing pants all the time, and then you put on a skirt or a dress and your knees are screaming at you? Okay, so took care of that. Anyway, this is the next one, this dress. I made this out of like a really nice, actually it's like a thinner sweatshirt knit material, so it's very casual, it's very comfortable, and this one didn't take too long to make either. Very straightforward pattern, and I paired it with this butterfly belt. I actually found this belt at like a consignment store years and years ago, and if you look up close, it actually has like beads missing. But I didn't care because I just thought it was so cute. And then it just adds like a pop of color to the dress and just makes it look really cute. All right, you guys, this is make number 3. Okay. I actually made this jumpsuit earlier in fall, like right at the end of summer. And I made it, this was my first time sewing with linen. So I was really excited about that. JOANN had a nice linen sale, because normally it's like $18 to $20 a yard, I think. But this time it was like, I think 60%, something crazy, where I actually bought some linen. So I was excited to sew with the linen, and I like how it feels. It feels very cool, like you could wear it in the spring or in the fall. And it's very comfortable. Again, it has a belt here, and I had extra fabric left over. I don't like to waste fabric, so I made this little headband. I feel like I look like Cher, but I like it. I like the vibe of it. And then what I did, I actually added a hook and eye at the top here, because the way that it's cut for me was just like giving away a little too much of the goods. So I added a little hook and eye up here just to give myself a little bit more closure. I'm sure you could put like a cami underneath if you know, wanted to cover up a little bit more, but the hook and eye was enough for me to get the amount of comfort that I need. All right, y'all, look number 3. Comfort alert, comfort alert, okay? I actually did a pattern review on this dress because I just absolutely love it so much. I can't even tell you how much I love this dress. So this is, I think, a simplicity pattern, if I remember correctly. And I made it out of this like sweater fleece material. So warm, so comfortable, and I just love how it looks. So like cute but effortless at the same time. I'm sure you could wear it with boots, heels, whatever you want to do. Alright, you guys, this is look number 5. Make number 5 is this sleeveless vest. So this is definitely a simplicity pattern. It's one of Mimi G's patterns, and it's actually a 3-piece. It comes with the vest, not this shirt, but an undershirt, and then also trousers or dress pants. And I actually made the vest and the dress pants. So this is the vest. And it actually has pockets on the side, which is cool. And then it has like these welt pockets that are faux pockets, but then it has real pockets. So I thought that was nice, and I like how structured it was or is. It's kind of like dressy casual, I guess, and even like the finishing of it I thought was really nice, and definitely something that I wear throughout fall. Alright, you guys, so the next make is the second part of the simplicity pattern that I was just telling you about. Sorry. There we go. These trousers, which, hold on, let me get my cuff right. There we go. Wide leg trousers, mind you. When I saw this pattern, I was like, okay, sign me up. I want those pants. So cute. I am tall. I'm like 5'9", so it's hard for me to find pants that are long enough. I don't like being high in the water, high water, whatever you want to call it. I want my pants to have some hang so that I can wear a good heel and be confident. So these pants I love. The fit of them is so great. Let's see, let me turn. Okay, and again, it's like a dressy type thing. I mean, I guess you could wear them to work or really anywhere. I just paired it with this nice I guess that's royal blue shirt or blouse, and then this polka dot blazer, which who doesn't love a good blazer? And let's see, you can take it off and just whatever, you know. So yeah, I love these pants. I mean, you can see if I had a heel on, you know, I'd still have a nice silhouette in these pants. And then they've got this nice pleating in the front, which just is really a cute detail. And I just love belts. I don't know if you guys know that about me yet, but I do. I love belts. So I put this up here. These pants are actually high-waisted, but I just like a little bling every now and then. So love that belt. Okay, you guys, last look. So this is actually one of my favorite things that I've sewn ever. Um, I just love how it looks. I love the fabric. I love how it feels. And I wore this out to dinner because I just loved it so, so much. Um, so I think this is another MCCALL'S pattern. It's a two, no, actually no, it's a Simplicity. It's a two-piece pattern, and it's got different options. There's a longer skirt and then this shorter skirt. I don't really have any short skirts, so I was like, oh, let me make a short skirt. And then it's got the sleeves with different options. I chose the one to gather the sleeves and then put the sleeve bands on because I just like how that looked on the arm, and it kind of balanced out with the shortness of the skirt, if you know what I mean. um, so yeah, this is like a sweater knit, which I love. It's really warm, again, really comfortable, and let's see, turn. Yeah, so I really love how this turned out, and I'll be wearing this I, until I can't fit it, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, definitely for a long time, for the foreseeable future. And that's my last look, you guys. All right, you guys. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, I enjoyed making this video for you, and I'm happy to share the things that I've made thus far. Hopefully you will make some of these patterns, and I know that they'll look great on you. Definitely, again, give me a thumbs up below if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel so that we can continue to hang out. All right, you guys, I'll definitely link all of the patterns down low in the description bar. So check that out and pick which ones you like. Pick those up from JOANN or somewhere whenever they're on sale. And yeah, hope you guys love these patterns. Well, until next time, I'll see you guys later.